This one hair just wants to live here. Just come on mate, just stay back there. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Zara, and if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. And for all of you guys that have been subscribed for a long time now, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a tutorial, get ready with me. You guys have seen how I do my makeup videos these days. It's pretty much just like, these are some products I like, this is how you can use them to achieve this look. A little bit different for me, more cool tones on the eyes. I used the Smashbox Cover Shot Prism eye palette for this look, just because the holographics on the front are amazing. And MAC Media lipstick just lightly on the lips, and some Nikkia Joy lashes, and obviously you guys can watch the video to see what I did. I don't know why I'm telling you the products I used. I pretty much just grabbed a few old favourites, a few new goodies, and played around. I think this is a really cute look for Christmas. It's a little bit understated. I was very heavily inspired by, and I'm going to butcher the pronunciation of this, but Hamel Patel. I'll put her Instagram handle right here so you guys can go check her out. She posted a story where she had this icy silver on the eyes, and she actually had like a deeper lip, but it looked stunning on her. I don't even know if she had lashes or liner or anything. It was such a quick Instagram story. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, she's posted the photos from that shoot so I can refer to those a bit more. But yeah, absolutely heavily inspired by her. I hope I've done the look justice. But yeah, if you guys want to know how I get this look, then keep on watching.